So in here it says that the encrypt program will try to decrypt whatever we gave it as in string. So here we gave it something in the etc issue. So let's see what exactly is in that etc issue folder. So this is the Ubuntu version. So the encrypted version for this was what we got as in the GNG1. So let's give it our ciphertext instead. Okay, so the Krypton 3 text file is in the Krypton 2 folder. Okay, then let's see what we got as ciphertext. Okay, so it still did not work. What if we make a file here? And then give this particular file. I think we did get our key now. Again our other method failed. So see, this is our decrypted text and this is what we get when we encrypted this particular ABCDS, and this right here is our encrypted text. So now what we need to do is decrypt it. So instead of looking for O in here, we look for O in here. So O here is C and M is A. Q we have E. D is R. So far we have got Caesar is, again Q is E, and on K we have Y. So this is our final decrypted password, which is Caesar is easy. Well, that was definitely not as easy as we thought it would be, but we got our answer. So now we'll try to log in. Krypton is easy. What was the password again? Let me see. Caesar is easy. Okay. Yes, we have logged in. So we'll move towards level 3 to level 4 in the next video.